So as a hedge fund manager, if you have no track record, so here is an opportunity on how you can gain credibility when you have no track record. Here's what you need to do if you are running away from it. So you are losing the opportunity to have the best here. Let's get into it directly. So I have seen it all the time. All of our prospects that came to us and they want to work with us, they had no track record. And I truly understand it, but we can't work with anyone who have no track record. If you have track record of 3 months minimum, so that will make sense to take a look on. I would like to take a look on the drawdowns or reports, and I'm not accepting most of you have only 3 months of drawdowns reports. But those who I'm seeing that they have the passion, they have the energy, and they are actually disciplined in financial industry, and they understand what they're talking about. If they can sell me on their own vision, so I'm actually taking this further with a few, not many, but most of the time, if you don't have any track record, report those important. Let's take a look on how you can build the credibility if you have no track record. So you can gain a few of investors, so you can have some under management, and you can start to kick off your own. Let's get into it directly. So what you need to understand is you need to start to build your own brand. Okay. So most of you are lazy. So let's be real. Most of you are lazy. That's why you don't produce anymore and you find excuses instead of getting things done. Okay. What you need to share is you need to share content, knowledge sharing strategies, screenshot of monthly performances if you have a fund with family and friends. That's what I'm assuming too. You have family and friends money. You don't have outside. Okay, let's say that. Okay. So you need to start to do that. Knowledge sharing strategies, you need to do that. Okay. Example, how we have increased the performance rate by 10% with less risk these months. Example, here is the exact same strategy that Warren Buffett mastered to deploy 20 million in his investment portfolio. You understand who will be interacted and who will be attracted to this type of concept? Investors, correct? Now you start to get more eyeballs from your target audience. Most of you are not doing that because you are lazy, okay, and you are just relying on ChatGPT, on the all of these AIs, and you're telling yourself that it will not work. It will not work because you are lazy. You giving the excuses to your own self. It works extremely well. You just understand and master the fundamentals. Okay. Again, what you will post for content, knowledge, sharing strategies. I'm assuming that you have your own specific strategies, correct? Your own deal structure in your own, correct? Your own fund structure. Share that. Wow. It's not like genius. Just share that. Okay. Share what you are unique into. That's it. Screenshot of your monthly performance. So whatever you have already generated for the last few months, okay, in your on your own the families and friends assets. So just have a screenshot, share it. That's it. Okay. And how you will gain eyeballs, what I like to call it is for generating attention or mass attention is when you will start to share this type of posts or this type of content. How we have increased the performance rate by 10% with less risk this business. Or if you would like to, if you haven't seen any traction on that, you can start to share something more points on their own ideal character. Okay, someone who they are taking a look to, who they have trust into. Okay, it is the exact same strategy that Warren Buffett mastered to deploy 20 million into his investment. Now you can start to share it. Now you will gain these eyeballs from the investors. And when they will see your own content that you have already shared, knowledge sharing strategies on your own specific strategies, screenshot on what you have already done on X or Y. If they will see that from the target audience that you are targeting, they will send you a DM. Well, it's not like a very It's genius thing. It's pretty basic and simple, guys. Okay, whatever you are. Okay, it's simple, easy. Okay, just do it. Just do it. Okay, please. If you don't have any track record, do it. Okay, do that. It will get you investors. Okay, do that on LinkedIn, on X, in which platforms that you would like to. But I can recommend you only LinkedIn and X. Okay, for investors. Instagram, 50-50. TikTok, not at all. YouTube, yes. And what this content will help you to? It will help you to build the trust and the credibility. And build trust and credibility build on constant, frequent posting, especially for this strategy. So what that means? So if I see you a lot, I will trust you. I see you less, I will not trust you. Okay, easy, right? You need to post 4 to 5 times per day. And along with that, you need to think of each piece of content as a brand messaging. So each piece of content it has to be a brand message. Okay, that's what we are helping our clients by the way. We are helping our clients with building their own brands. That's what making us to rise up capital very short time because we making sure that they will also build their own brands from our own support and help. We helping them step by step what they will post, what they will have for content, how they will start to get high engaging investors from there. And we are not only doing that to get input investors with the time from the LinkedIn, but we are doing that to build the credibility and trust when the investors that we are looking for them for our private list, they doing any due intelligence on their own names. That's what making us to rise up capital constantly for our clients in very short time and with 7, 8, 9 figures capital targets. No one would need, now let's get back into it. No one would need their content just because it's informative, but because of how you are presenting it to them, how you are presenting it to them. Okay. You will just have this type of hooks, how to X and Y. Don't do that. Okay. Everyone will listen to you when you understand how you can present your content in ways that will make sense to them to stop scrolling and give you attention. That's what I can give you. I can give you more than that. I can make it more easy and simple than that because it's pretty simple and easy to understand. If you can understand how you can make them to stop scrolling with having the brand messaging in ways that will resonate with their own interests. Okay? If you can do that and understand that, you will constantly rise up capital and you will never run away from capital. Okay? That's what we help in our client. But you understand the point. I will not get into it. Okay? It's not about the information that you are sharing, it's about how you are presenting the information. Okay? Who is presenting the content and how unique and new is it in establishing their vision of becoming or learning about the specific sector of X. Okay? Do you understand it? I hope you do. Do you understand? You need to help them on becoming the vision that they would like to learn more about. They would like to become. Okay? So what's their vision? Okay, I will give you example right now. Just from my own mind. I haven't done any research. Okay. Investors, what they would like to see. Okay, most of them, they would like to get return on their own investments constantly. They would like to see less drawdowns on their own investments. Correct? Okay. So maybe you can start to share content that will help them to have less drawdowns on their own investment. How they can start to understand their investments way better on how they will have less drawdowns on their own investments. So now you're helping them to save money or saving them from losses, which absolutely will be valuable to them. They can look. Do you understand? How you will present that to them, they will not listen from you from the first time because you have no track record. So how you will present that to them be your own, it will be your own way, your own message to present that to them in a way that will be absolutely helpful. Okay, I hope you understand something. Now let's get into the biggest and most crucial thing to understand. The more niche you are, the better it gets to generate high quality interest from qualified leads. Qualified leads. Your goal is not just to grab attention, your goal is to grab the highest quality attention from your target audience. This is only achievable by becoming more niche than others in your own sector. You need to connect with your target audience emotionally, spiritually, and knowledgeably to achieve a higher retention rate. Do you understand? I'm telling that to my clients all the time, and that's what we are doing in our operation. We are not focusing on just grabbing attention. Grabbing attention is easy. Mr. Beast can grab attention all the time, but does the attention that he is grabbing are qualified to your own sector? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Do you understand? You need to understand how you can only grab the highest quality of attention of your own target audience. If you understand that, you will constantly rise up to it. That's why we are building our brands forward. That's what we're helping them with. To get the highest quality of attention of our target audience that we are targeting. Okay? Highest quality of attention. Not grabbing attention, highest quality of attention. Okay? That's what you need to understand. How you will do that by understanding your target audience way better than their own self. And only niche into one sector. Only niche into one target audience, not many. Okay, don't think that I will niche into many and now I will get everyone. You will not get anyone. Okay, one sector, one target audience, one avatar. That was everything today. I hope it was something new for you. I hope you have gained something from it. If not, so you can take a look on it. You will actually get. If you would like to take a look on those videos, you can do that. And if you would like to take a look on the description below, I have